Welcome to the Dispo Travel platform. This tutorial highlights key features you'll learn in the full video. Background and agent support. Learn how Dispo Travel supports travel agents and helps streamline bookings. Agent registration and rates. Agents can choose net rates or commission-based rates, typically 10 to 20% transportation and 15% for all tours. Account setup and team management. If under a host agency, your details are preset. Independent agents must enter bank details. Add as many team members as needed. Finding help and support. Check the knowledge base for agent-related guides and assistance. Vehicle and tour sections. Choose from 3 vehicle options and book seamlessly. Access the tour section via a quick email request, available only for registered companies. Tour details and final notes. Each tour includes pictures, descriptions, and full details. Have questions? Contact us anytime. Watch the full video to explore all features and maximize your earnings with Dispo Travel.